So you're visiting Phuket in August, you're wanting to go island hopping, but you don't know what's open? This video is for you. Hi there guys, Shaun here from 5-Star Marine with a very wonderful and handsome Mr. Jay.
Hello, I'm Jay.
He's so handsome that someone came back home.
Dating this video, aren't we? Anyway, sunglasses on.
Oh, it's dated already because it's what's open in August. What are you going to do? Put it out in September?
It's true, actually. So, you come on holiday in August and you think, oh, I want to go on a boat tour. I wonder what one I should go on.
Number one question I get, can I go island hopping in August? The answer is...
Yes, August is a really nice month.
Actually, look at it.
Yeah, we're filming this in July.
Let's superimpose that on August. Hope it's
There
the
we go.
same.
No, August, generally, end of July and August are very nice months in Phuket.
I would agree.
They are. I mean, people think, oh, it's low season, it's raining every day. It doesn't rain every day. It really doesn't rain every day. And if you do get a splattering of rain, it goes through. What's the interesting fact, Shaun?
Statistically, one of the reasons that movies film in July and August is because statistically, over the last 20 years, they're the least wet months.
There you go. Statistics do count. Stay in school, kids. Statistics
Anyway, so
matter.
let's talk about, firstly, the very big closing that happens August 1st, which you jump on a boat every year to go and film the last day.
Yes.
What's closing?
Maya Bay,
right?
similar. Yeah, Similar's closed ages ago. But no, Maya Bay, down here in Phi Phi. Now, Maya Bay is closed, but Phi Phi, as a whole, is open. In fact,
and Jay did a whole video on it, and you can click the link in the description.
There you go, I was about to say that.
There you go.
I just did a video, so you can't actually...
Knocked it out of the park as well, because guess what? Ranking #1 on
Do you know what?
Google.
My fingers stink of tuna. You know why? I have... Yes. I either have tuna in my pocket, or I was on a night out in Southend last night. But no, I have tuna snacks in my pocket. Look, for my doggy.
His wife came around.
Yeah. Not sure you picked that up, but we'll leave that one. Anyway, look. Maya Bay Beach is closed. You can still go into the bay to the little buoyed area, and not little girls, and you can actually, you can take your little picture, but you just can't physically go on the beach for 2 months. So it's August and September. You cannot. August, September, yeah. You cannot step on Maya Bay Beach. However, as Shaun said, I just did a video about 5 other beaches you can go to, and go click that, and then you can go see which beaches you can go to. But Phi Phi as a whole is open.
Okay, so in August you can go to Phi Phi.
Yes.
That's a very long way of saying you can go to Phi Phi.
Yes.
What about Hong Krabi?
Yes, I love Hong. I'm a big fan of Hong Krabi at the moment.
We spent a lot of time in Hong Krabi.
Yeah, we did. So we've done a few things in Hong Krabi. We did a shoot that we can't talk about, but I took my my kids I teach at Head Start. Did we do 2 shoots there? I can't remember.
We did one
I took my Head Start kids there. Hello, kids.
Lisa won, and you took photos of my Crocs. Here's a photo.
Oh yeah, I did a whole video about your Crocs. Yeah. I took my kids there from Head Start. I think Hong Krabi.
He's a teacher, Professor J.
Professor J. I think Hong Krabi is one of the highlights to go on during low season. This time of year, I think if you've been to Phi Phi and you've done Phang Bay, I think you get everything at Hong Krabi. I think it's a really cool place, and it's got great coffee, and you can do snorkeling there. It's not the greatest snorkeling, but you can snorkel there. And also, you can after you've been at Hong Krabi, you go round to what's it called, Nok Island, and you see the fruit bats. You can climb up and actually see them.
And we're at the Rayleigh, Pota, and Gaia are all open as well.
I've never been there.
Krabi Islands.
I think I've been to Rayleigh. I've been to Rayleigh Beach, mate. That's where all the backpackers and climbers are.
I really like Rayleigh.
I've not done these two.
Very kind of relaxed feeling about it.
Is that Kung Fu Panda?
Koh Pota.
All right.
Guy, Phang Bay, James Bond Island, open.
Yeah, James Bond Island.
Everything is open in the bay, everything open in Krabi, everything open in Krabi itself. You can go to all of these. Phi Phi itself is open.
Yes.
Even Bamboo Island is open.
I do bamboo.
What about Kai?
Yes, Kai's open. Can get quite busy though sometimes, Kai, because
in the afternoon's busy. Go in the morning. That's the whole
thing. But also you can actually anchor off Kai and you get some really good snorkeling and you don't actually have to go on the beach. But the beach is good and there is some great food actually. Some really good roasted corn on the barbecue.
I go there for sometimes.
Yes. Sometimes is good there.
And the best beach in the world is open?
Oh yeah, down at Koh Hay or Coral Island, Banana Beach was voted the best beach in the world for some strange reason. I mean, it is lovely. I do like Coral Island. For me, especially if you've got young kids or an older family, older generation, or if you've just got some mates who just want to have a beach day.
Are we classified as older generation?
Well, I'm middle-aged, I think.
What age is older generation? I had this conversation
70, I think grandparents.
When you were 13, what did you think was old? 40, right?
Yeah.
And 80 was ancient. It was like...
Yeah, no, 70 upwards was like grandparents.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we're now in the
Oh well, doesn't matter. All right, when you're like me and you want to have a little place to relax, Coral Island is really good because you can snorkel straight off the beach, and it's really good snorkeling there. And they've got lots of toys if you want to go parasailing, or if you want to go with the open, glass see-through kayak thing.
As you well know, Lucas loves to go there. He goes there all the time.
He does. And also you can snorkel at front and back. Oh, can I just say, I forgot about this. Where is, oh, my ton. I, for the first time, snorkeled at the backside of my ton a couple of weeks ago. I was really impressed how good it was.
You went on a pub?
Yes, I took my kids out again. Oh, that's a whole story.
I missed that.
I took some year 13s out, and I can't really talk about it because then 3 of them had to be kicked off the tour.
Oh, now I remember that.
Cheeky little beer they had. Naughty. But anyway.
Teacher Jay.
I know. I can't do it. But anyway,
he was the one at the bar
I snorkeled at the backside of my ton. It was really good. I saw clownfish, and it's really clear. I didn't know that. It's a good place.
So basically,
I need to go and cough. Can you just
everything that we would normally recommend is open. It seems like it's just a normal time of year to come and go out on tour.
Well, it's not all open because Simlands is closed, and we don't think we should.
But we don't normally recommend Simple. I think every Simple video we've ever done, you say don't go.
I'd say don't go. It's not worth it.
Oh, I think it's a long way.
Yeah, it is a long way.
It's a really long way and too many people.
Yeah, well, but I think that, look, Pangar Bay is always good during this time of year because it's always protected. It's protected by the westerly breeze.
Basically, if it's on our map, you can go in August.
Yeah, the thing about PP is always we will send you an email about the day before or a couple of days before about PP because it can get a little bit bouncy coming down there if the wind's not go. Yeah. But generally it's not so bad. But look,
because the wind is normally coming just.
So what we're recommending is August. We're saying Pangar Bay, Crabby, PP,
Raya, Mud.
Oh, we haven't even mentioned. We didn't even mention the Raya Islands.
Raya Noi.
Is that nice?
I haven't been there for a long time. I want to go Raya Noi.
We need to go out on a boat more. Yeah.
I go on a boat all the time, but it's always for work.
I know.
I'm sitting there.
We haven't been out for a long time. We should go out soon.
Yeah.
Let's do a video.
Let's go to Kite.
In fact, Fangalanga Ding Dong is
We're going
supposed
to go
to
on Lisa Wonder
What?
Kite.
Fangalanga Ding Dong's out today.
I know.
She shouldn't be out on
She
a
has
boat.
the best job.
I'm not sure she's happy about it.
Anyway,
Yes.
that's what's up.
All right, is that you done? Oh, get me a little rub then, which I quite liked. So if you do want to know what the best tour is and you're coming in August, then just drop a little comment below. But if you didn't understand any of that video, but like and subscribe and all that jazz. Thanks for watching. I'm going to go back. Hey, watch this. Mischief. See? Tuna. Come here. Sit. You can't see it though, can you? There you go. Good cow. Oh, dropped it. Right, I'll show you that in a minute. Thanks for watching. Bye. Sit. Good cow. Tuna. Yummy. Yes. If you go and come on August, what do you want to do?
Kyle.
But we're going to go to that, but I would only go there.
Friggin'.
His name's Miguel. Honestly.
What's wrong with you, bro? What the heck? You tripping, bro. You tripping.
Miguel's gonna be right. Dear HR, the owner of 5-Star Marine doesn't get my name there. Miguel's so much better than Kyle. Love you, Miguel.
Woo! Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for. That's what it's all about.